Diego! Your Vice President for Operations. For your Vice President for Activities, we have the incumbent Vice Chair External of the Council of Student Organizations and PLA's most outstanding student, Simon Ferrer. For our Vice President for Academics, we have a former LA representative, former Vice President, and your incumbent College Assembly President, Oliver To.
For academics.
And for our Student Council President, we have a former batch president, former LA representative, former college president of the College of Business and Economics, and the incumbent executive vice president of Alianza Tapat sa Lasalista, one who has incessantly fought for the protection of our rights and the promotion of our welfare. Wala nang mas gagaling pa. Army Padilla!
I'm Army Padilla, your Student Council President.
We are Tapat Leaders!
19 years of student service. 14 years of Tapat leadership.
Tapat Leaders mula noon.
Walang paanggang ipinagtanggol ang inyong karapatan at iniangat ang kapakanan nating mga Latalyano.
Student Council at President Scott.
Sectoral Committee on Budget, Student Cooperative,
Pahiram libro.
Grievance and Student Charter.
Most recently, the Students' Code.
Tapat Leaders hanggang ngayon.
Money from the students, money for the students.
I am Mito Dizon, your Student Council Treasurer.
The office of the treasurer should not be limited to clerical works of monetary documentation.
As your Student Council Treasurer, I will increase the responsibility of my office in engaging in student representation in the different university committees that involve tuition fees and students' personal funds.
Bigyang hustisya ang mga bagay na inyong binabayaran.
more than the
office management, but people management.
And Kate Lim, your Executive Secretary.
The Executive Secretary is more than just paperwork. It is about human relations.
As your Executive Secretary, I will increase the transparency and accountability in the office to give you the kind of leadership and service that you truly deserve.
Ibigay na nila ratong nararapat sa inyo. Service for the students, reaching the students.
I'm Andrea Go, your Vice President for Operations.
Every student has the right to proper information inside the university.
As your Vice President for Operations, I will develop multimedia channels and feedback systems for effective and efficient communication circulation. Alamin ang proseso para sa epektibong pamumuno.
Less bureaucracy, more efficiency. I am Simon Ferrer, your Vice President for Activities.
The Student Council is the sole, unified, democratic and autonomous body that governs and serves the students.
As your Vice President for Activities, I will review current policies and push for a less bureaucratic system on activity approval. And most importantly, uphold the autonomy of the Student Council and Council of Student Organizations from the Office of Student Activities.
Sipagin ng bureaucrata sa progresibong pamamahala.
Right protection, higher education.
I'm Oliver To, your Vice President for Academics.
De La Salle University is the first university to have a student charter, yet there are still existing injustices done to students, not just in superficial rules, but evidently shown in the enforcement section of the discipline office.
As your Vice President for Academics, walang humpay na iitusulong at ipagtatanggol ang inyong karapatan bilang estudyante. At lalo na yung pag-iigtingin ng pagsusuri sa ating curriculum sa pamamagitan ng CRADL, Curriculum Review for Academic Development of the Lasallian Development.
Protekta ng karapatan, hustisya ng pangkalatan. Strong student presidency towards an empowered citizenry.
I am Army Padilla, your Student Council President.
The Student Council President should work for a strong and genuine student government that will incessantly engage in the promotion of greater heights of student governance.
The office of the President will push for the approval of the Students' Code in Congress in order to ensure the protection of the rights of each student in this country. As your President, I believe in cultivating the capacity of leadership of each Lasallian. Ours is the responsibility for change and progress to happen in this country. We will support the university in producing a strong, vigilant, self-reliant, and a nationalistic citizenry. Serbisyon totoo, pamumuno may prinsipyo.
Isang literatong tapat sa inyo.
You deserve a tapat leadership. Tapat leadership is professional.
Achieve a democratic, effective, and efficient student governance.
Tapat leadership is pro-student.
Maximize student representation in enforcing the discipline here in the office.
Tapat leadership is progressive.
Fight for an education that is affordable and one that is for the nation's progress.
Tapat leadership is principled.
Cultivate the capacity for leadership and reinforce a sense of duty and responsibility to this country.
Tapat leadership is pro-people.
Support the university in producing a strong, vigilant, and action-oriented citizenry.
We are the Tapat Leaders. I am Mito
Dizon.
leading you to the office of the Treasurer.
I am Kate
Yes.
leading you to the office of the Executive Secretary.
I am Andrea
Go.
leading you to the office of the Vice President for Operations.
I am Simon Ferrer leading you to the office of the Vice President for Activities.
I am Oliver,
No!
leading you through the office of the Vice President for Academics.
At ako naman po ang inyong gabay at kakbay na tapat na tapat
Na tapat na tunay!
Army Padilla, Army Padilla,
Army Padilla!
Student Council President.
Lasales deserve a just and free university.
Filipinos deserve a just and free country. Tapat leaders leading you to a vision of a just and free society. Please don't forget your batch level and college level candidates.
For your batch representatives, Elaine Chang and Lester Kim.
For your legislative assembly representatives, we have Ryan Pitanga and Millicent Tan.
Magandang umaga, 59 Tech and Bonifacio Dilo Jr. Your College Assembly President.
Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.